Hi guys, and welcome back to our tutorial. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to find your KuCoin exchange crypto app wallet exchange on your device and how to install it. So what you need to do is, for Android user you go to your Play Store, and for iPhone user you go to your App Store. Now once you're at Play Store, you need to go to search button here and sorry guys, you now search for KuCoin crypto exchange. You can see and click on install, and you can start installing. You wait for it to install, finish automatically. It's going to install on your phone and download it on your phone. So let's wait for it to install and download, finish, and then we are good to go. Here you can see it started downloading. Once it's download finish, it will automatically install on its own on your device, and that is it. So guys, wait for it to download finish. We have to wait for it, let it reach 100%. Once it's done, then it's going to start installing on its own. It's very easy like that. This is a KuCoin POA for you to use to buy your Bitcoin and your crypto wallet. It's a crypto exchange wallet. KuCoin, use it to buy Bitcoin, buy other like Ethereum. So let's wait for it. We need some minutes to install finish. Let's wait for it. Alright, we need some minutes more. I think it's almost done. You can see it's almost done. Once it's done finish, it's going to install on its own finish. Then we're going to okay, we made a little. I think it's almost done. So guys, as you're waiting, smash the like button, subscribe, so that you'll be able to find our next video very easily. So okay, I think it's almost done. Okay guys, I think it's almost done. So once it's done, it's going to install on its own. It's very easy. Once it's installed, you can just click on open here, and that's it. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.